We have a special offer right now starting on the 14th of November. So if you want to learn to have a stronger body, a stronger mind, stronger emotions, stronger relationships, and live by virtues and principle by working on your character, then this is the biggest chance for you. No matter if you can take part in the offer or not, we have created in the last decades a lot of free courses for you, so there are no excuses to start. So if you want to master yourself and master life, then there's no other way than walking through the pain of discipline. So life doesn't get easier, but you become stronger. So start your journey now. There are no excuses. Let's go.